Welcome to the homework video for week 5. So as you can see, the first thing you should do is continue to submit the work that we did on last week, pages 39 to 46. Here's the submission link again. You can also find it in last week's material. Practice your phonograms. Here's another person doing some of the phonograms with more hand gestures. I'm not that good at them. And then we're going to move into what we're going to learn for this coming week. It's going to be about phonological awareness. So you'll need to open up this PowerPoint, do that, and pause. Okay, now that you've opened it, on the next slide, these will be the objectives that we're going to be working on for homework. Objectives 1 through 6. Take a minute to read them. Pause. When you've finished reading them, you should have a note sheet on page 49, and it's called, I handed it out in class, it's a tab, and it has phonological awareness page. Take some notes on what is phonological awareness, phonemes, phonological awareness, phonemic awareness. Put phonics down, but it is not phonological awareness, so I put a line through it. When you continue, there's some true or false. What do you think from learning about phonological awareness? We'll check the answers in class. Another handout I gave, and I want you to read the slide. Please put this on page 50. This one is also on page 50. Read through this slide. This goes, it's just for your information. Please read this. Over here, we're going to be on page 51. Read this slide. Say the sounds. Also on page 51 on the bottom, take notes on this and add 5 words to the bottom. I gave you a handout, and this is the phonological awareness umbrella. Read this and put this on page 52 and cut it out. These are blank raindrops. You're to, on the next slide here, these go on the blank raindrops. Okay. Then on page 53, I gave another handout with an arc and some of these lighter purple squares. Use tape, put them in order, follow the directions up on top. And then last but not least, I'd like you to read chapter 3 in our book. Taking notes on page 54, but this is really your main focus. How do we teach this? And what are some activities? All right, submit that. If you weren't in class, I still put those handouts in here and a picture of what mine looked like. So here are all the handouts. Here's the submission link for pages 49 to 54. All right, I'll see you next week. Bye.